Imagine an earthquake hitting your city, buildings collapsing everywhere. But your house doesn't shake. It floats. These homes are built on floating foundations that disconnect them from the ground. So when the earth moves, the house doesn't. Earthquake vibrations pass beneath the structure, while the house gently absorbs motion, preventing cracks, collapse, and deadly damage. Japan and the Netherlands are already building real floating houses, designed to survive earthquakes, floods, and rising sea levels. In the future, homes may not fight nature. They'll move with it, floating to keep humans alive. If this blew your mind, hit like, share it now, and subscribe to TechVerse Mind for more future magic.